For decades, the sound and swagger of a big V8 defined what it meant to drive a Ram truck. Muscle, torque, and that unmistakable rumble were non-negotiable. But as we move toward 2027, Ram is rewriting its own rulebook, and it's doing it with confidence. The question isn't just, is the V8 dead anymore? It's what if the replacement is actually better? Ram's upcoming twin-turbo inline-6 strategy, centered around the Hurricane engine family, signals one of the boldest pivots in modern truck history. And no, this isn't a downgrade disguised as progress. According to engineers, insiders, and powertrain experts, this move might quietly deliver more real-world performance than the V8s it replaces. Let's break down what's really happening, why Ram is confident enough to challenge tradition, and why the 2027 Ram lineup may shock even die-hard V8 loyalists. The end of an era, or a necessary evolution. For Ram, the V8 wasn't just an engine, it was an identity. The Hemi name carried weight across job sites, drag strips, and dealership lots. But by the mid-2020s, reality caught up fast. Stricter global emissions rules, fuel efficiency mandates, and noise regulations made large, naturally aspirated V8s increasingly expensive to certify. At the same time, competitors were already experimenting with downsized, boosted engines that delivered more torque at lower RPMs. Industry analysts point out that this isn't about abandoning power, it's about delivering it more intelligently. Powertrain expert interviews suggest Ram reached a crossroads. Keep investing heavily to modernize aging V8 architecture, or leap forward with a cleaner, more adaptable engine platform. Ram chose the leap. Meet the Hurricane, Ram's twin-turbo inline-6 weapon. The heart of Ram's 2027 strategy is the Hurricane twin-turbo inline-6, already proven in earlier Stellantis applications, but significantly evolved for full-size truck duty. Why an inline-6? Engineers consistently rank inline-6 layouts as one of the smoothest engine configurations ever created. With perfect primary and secondary balance, inline-6 engines require fewer balance shafts, produce less vibration, and maintain durability under sustained load, exactly what trucks demand. According to Ram powertrain engineers, the twin turbos allow instant low RPM torque. The long-stroke design favors towing and hauling. The modular architecture supports future electrification. This isn't a high-strung sports engine, it's a workhorse with modern muscle. Torque is the new horsepower. Here's where the V8 debate starts to crack. Most truck owners don't live at redline. They tow, haul, climb grades, idle in traffic, and work under load. That's where torque below 3,000 RPM matters far more than peak horsepower. Experts familiar with Ram's testing data reveal the twin-turbo inline-6 delivers maximum torque earlier than outgoing V8s. Turbo Boost fills torque gaps instantly during towing. Power delivery remains consistent at altitude. In practical terms, that means less downshifting while towing, stronger launches with heavy trailers, smoother power on long uphill grades. From a usability standpoint, many engineers quietly admit the inline-6 is more truck-appropriate than a traditional V8. Fuel economy gains without sacrificing muscle. One of the biggest selling points of Ram's 2027 inline-6 strategy is efficiency, without apology. Internal combustion experts explain that turbocharged inline engines burn fuel more precisely under load, reduce pumping losses, spend less time operating inefficiently. For owners, that translates to better highway mileage, noticeable savings during daily driving, improved range when towing. Ram insiders suggest the real-world fuel economy improvement could be significant enough to change ownership costs, especially for fleet buyers and contractors. This is critical, because trucks are no longer weekend toys, they're daily tools. Durability, the question everyone is asking. Skeptics always ask the same thing. But will it last like a V8? According to engineers involved in validation testing, Ram anticipated this concern early. The Hurricane inline-6 features reinforced engine blocks, heavy-duty cooling circuits, oil systems designed for sustained boost, turbochargers engineered for long duty cycles. Powertrain reliability experts note that modern turbo engines fail less from boost and more from heat mismanagement. Ram addressed this with oversized intercoolers, advanced thermal mapping, and redundant cooling strategies. In fact, some engineers argue a well-designed turbo inline-6 may experience less mechanical stress than a high-revving naturally aspirated V8 under heavy load. Sound, feel, and the emotional factor. Let's be honest, this isn't just about numbers. The V8 roar is emotional. It's part of truck culture. Ram knows this, and insiders say extensive work has gone into sound tuning and exhaust character. No, the inline-6 won't sound exactly like a Hemi, but early prototypes reportedly produce a deep, refined growl under load, minimal turbo whistle inside the cabin, strong acoustic feedback during acceleration. Some engineers even describe it as European muscle meets American torque. It's different, but not disappointing. Why Ram moved faster than some rivals? While competitors hedged with mild hybrids and limited V8 offerings, Ram went all in. Industry analysts point to several reasons. 1. Stellantis already invested heavily in inline-6 development. 2. Modular engines reduce long-term costs. 3. Inline-6 platforms integrate easily with hybrid systems. This positions Ram ahead of looming regulations while preserving performance credentials. In short, Ram isn't reacting. It's preparing. Hybrid potential, the quiet advantage. One of the most overlooked advantages of the inline-6 platform is hybrid compatibility. Experts explain that inline engines package more efficiently with electric motors, leave space for battery integration, pair well with torque-fill electric assistance. This means future Ram trucks could launch harder with electric boost, improve towing efficiency, maintain performance while cutting emissions. From a long-term strategy perspective, the inline-6 isn't just replacing the V8, it's opening doors the V8 couldn't. Is the V8 truly dead? Not entirely. Most analysts believe Ram will keep limited V8 offerings alive, at least in special trims or performance models. But the center of gravity has shifted. The inline-6 isn't a compromise engine anymore, it's becoming the main character. One veteran engine designer put it bluntly: if buyers test drive without knowing what's under the hood, most will choose the inline-6. That's a powerful statement. What this means for truck buyers in 2027. For everyday owners, the benefits are tangible. Stronger low-end torque, better fuel efficiency, smoother driving experience, lower long-term compliance risk. For Ram, it means survival and possibly dominance in a changing market. And for V8 loyalists, it means the end of one chapter, but not the end of excitement. Final thoughts, a surprise worth paying attention to. The headline might scream, "RIP V8," but the truth is more nuanced. Ram's 2027 twin-turbo inline-6 isn't an apology. It's a confident statement that performance doesn't have to sound the same to feel just as strong or stronger. This engine represents the future of trucks. Smart power, usable torque, real efficiency, long-term adaptability. So no, the V8 isn't gone from our hearts. But for Ram, the inline-6 may be the smartest move it's made in decades. And once drivers feel it pull under load, many won't look back.